What's good, my peoples? Today I'm gonna show you how you can make extra money assembling playgrounds. I bought this backyard playground for $299 at Walmart, and I hired two guys to assemble it for $200. They started building this playground around 9 in the morning and finished at 3 p.m. That's a total of 6 hours non-stop. I did give them a few beer breaks, but besides that, they were working 6 hours straight. And this playground had a lot of pieces to assemble and put together, all different types of screws, and in total it came out to be 111 pieces. And it requires around 13 different type of tools to assemble everything correctly. Before I bought this playground, I knew it was going to take me a long time to have this assembled, and Walmart gave me the option to have this assembled after it got delivered for the low price of $352 or $585. That's more than what I paid for the playground. Worst comes to worst, I was going to do this myself. It would have took me at least 2 days to do it by myself. I would have got it done, but man, I would have been beat from it. So that tells you, if I feel this way, that means a lot of other people feel the same way before having to buy a playground. So that's where you come in. Put some ads on Craigslist and start an Instagram page and do whatever you can to market yourself and show others that if they do invest in a playground for their kids, that there's someone out there that will assemble it for you at a good rate. Some of these playgrounds could be sold for up to $2,000, $5,000. Walmart has this one selling for over $2,000. So imagine if you had to assemble this playground. That's a big playground, and it's probably going to take you at least 1 or 2 days with 2 people. So you could probably charge up to $800 or $1,000 and see where it goes. You can always negotiate. So this is a side hustle that you and a friend could start doing. Just make sure you have the right equipment to build everything correctly, because you don't want to make this into a liability. One good thing was that the instructions were already programmed into an app called Built. And the app shows you small videos of each step and how to assemble every piece correctly. So no more having to read through paper instructions and then the papers fly away because you left it on the table. And this app has hundreds of other playgrounds with their instructions and how to build it. So don't worry about having to read paper instructions all the time. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification. That way you're alerted when new videos come out. With me saying that, I'm locked and loaded. I'm out.
Young lords in the flesh, running laps around these other rappers, and I barely just broke in the sweat. Got the dough, we could bet. Money where your mouth is till it gets split. Get the Moses effect, get low, hit the deck. The Lord said it, I'm tormented, a storm revving and brewing. You know I'm a war method's a warrior. Try to add big, we notorious. They fabricating, but we really know what the story was.